Hi friend, welcome back to Bharat Unchained. Now in this video, we shall deal with India's first undersea rail tunnel. If one says undersea rail tunnel, of course in the world there are so many tunnels which go under the sea in various other countries and various other cities. But for India, this will be the first undersea rail tunnel. This is part of the bullet train project. It's also known as the Mumbai ahmedabad bullet train project. Almost every Indian knows about it. Maybe not all the details. We shall get into some details in some other video. Mainly, there have been some updates now very recently. We shall deal in this particular video some of the updates. One major update is regarding this undersea section of the bullet train project. The total length of the project between Bandra Kurla complex in Mumbai to a place called Shilphata in Thane district. It is quite close to Mumbai. Basically, Shilphata is a place which is located between Kalyan and Turbe, and Vashi is also close by. Vashi, Navi Mumbai is also close by to Shilphata. So this particular undersea tunnel will be between Bandra Kurla complex and Shilphata. The total length of the tunnel is expected to be 21 kilometers. We shall go into various technical details of this particular tunnel project, which is part of the bigger first bullet train project of India. We shall get into certain technical aspects of this particular undersea tunnel. Before we actually get into the details of the tunnel section itself, let's look at some basic historical background. Bullet train project is 508 kilometers long, and it was sanctioned at a cost of 1,08,000 crore rupees. Although it has been delayed for a little while now, it was supposed to be completed in the year 2022. There have been certain delays for the completion of this particular project. Mainly now the projected construction completion date is 2026, that is 2 years from now, where it is estimated that in one section of this project between Surat and Billimora will be completed. Now, there have been some updates from Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav, who is the Union Minister for Railways for India, wherein he has said progress of bullet train project is very good. It's progressing very fast. About 270 kilometers of viaducts have already been completed, and that is very good, because despite all the problems which this particular project had faced, according to him, the work is going on at a very rapid pace. He had also said in that interview about this undersea section, said that the work has already started. They have also brought in the TBMs, the tunnel boring machines, the machines which will bore the tunnel. The work has already started. Now, he also mentioned that this bullet train project passes across 8 rivers, and work is already going on all the 8 sections of the project, the bridges. He has said that 2 of those bridges have already been completed. The remaining work on the remaining sections going at a very rapid pace. He had also mentioned that Sabarmati railway station, the Sabarmati terminal, work is almost complete. Now let us check out some technical aspects of this project, of this particular undersea section. Now, as you can see in this particular presentation, we have this India's first bullet train project. Here was when the agreement between Japan and India was made, and our Prime Minister had met Japan's President. Now here in this particular slide, basically this is from the Financial Express, 10th February 2024. Here in this projected timeline and everything was given, and in this particular slide we see that screenshot from the Indian Express. This was dated 8th February. Most of the information in this video has been taken from these news reports. This particular news report dealt with the undersea tunnel also. Now basically, when you consider the technical aspects of the tunnel, now here in this particular Google map image, I have just taken this image to give the locations of Bandra Kurla complex and Shilphata. Now this particular route, don't go by this route. This is basically a road route. Now this is not going to be the route which is going to be followed by the bullet train project. The undersea tunnel is going to be basically somewhere through this section. Now the exact location is not there with me, so I've just given this map as a reference for location between Bandra Kurla complex and Shilphata. Now this undersea tunnel is going to be somewhere here. I mean through this is the Thane Creek. Now this area, this entire area, now this is Mumbai, and here is Navi Mumbai. Now this is Shilphata. Now Shilphata is basically between Kalyan and Navi Mumbai. Now this particular section, now this entire, not this one, I mean the one which is going to go through, now that entire section will be 21 kilometers long. Now you see, now this particular image here, now this is not representing, it's just a representational picture. It's not the original tunnel. Now this is an already built tunnel. Now this is just for representation only. Now the total length of the tunnel is going to be 21 kilometers. The total length of the undersea section is going to be 7 kilometers. Now this undersea section is part of this 21 kilometer tunnel. So basically out of the 21 kilometers, 7 kilometers will be under the sea. Now this undersea section is going to be below Thane Creek, the way I showed you in that Google map image. The undersea section tunnel will be a single tube tunnel. There will be only just one tube or one tunnel in which it will be designed that two tracks will be going through that particular one tunnel. Now one will be going up and one will be coming down from Mumbai to Ahmedabad. So there will be two tracks but only one tunnel. The outer diameter of the tunnel is expected to be 13.6 meter. Now here in this image is the tunnel boring machine. This is the machine which is used to actually bore out the tunnels for these projects. Now, for example, even in the various metro projects, various cities of India, or various road projects, which we have, the highways, the expressways, all these huge mega projects which we have regarding roadways, there also wherever the tunnels are to be built, are to be dug out, these kind of machines are being used. These are called TBMs, or tunnel boring machines. Now this particular tunnel boring machine has a cutter head of 13.6 meter in diameter. It's a very big diameter. This is something unique for this particular project, because normally for urban railways or metro projects, other railway projects, they use cutter heads which are 5 to 6 meter in diameter. So now this is almost double of that. From the ground level, the depth of the tunnel will vary. Some sections will be much deeper than the others. For example, it's going to be a 21 kilometer tunnel, remember. So it's going to be a very long tunnel. It will vary between 25 meter to 57 meter below the ground level. The deepest point of the tunnel will be 114 meters below the ground level. And this particular point will be beneath the Parsik Hill. Parsik Hill is near Shilphata. Out of the 21 kilometers, for 16 kilometers of this tunnel work, 3 TBMs will be used. And for the remaining 5 kilometers, basically towards the Shilphata side, a new Austrian tunneling method, or NATM method, will be used for constructing this tunnel. Now going further, with the tunnel section of the project, shafts will be constructed, or shafts will be dug to assist the work of these tunnels. Photo is also just a representational photo, mind you. It's not a real photo of the project. Now 3 shafts will be dug to facilitate the tunnel construction. The shaft 1 is located at Mumbai High Speed Rail Station, or the HSR station at BKC, Bandra Kurla complex. Now, the depth of this shaft will be 36 meters, and its secant piling work is completed, 100% completed according to the report, currently undergoing excavation. Second shaft, shaft number 2, is located at Vikhroli in Mumbai with a depth of 36 meters. Its piling work is also completed and excavation is going on. This particular shaft number 2 will be the entry point for two tunnel boring machines. One will be heading towards BKC from Vikroli and the other will be going towards Ghansoli. Now Ghansoli is a suburb which is in Navi Mumbai, between Thane and Navi Mumbai basically. Shaft number 3, now this is located at Savli. Savli, it's close to Ghansoli. Now excavation work is going on. This will be 39 meters. Now along with those 3 shafts, now an inclined shaft of 42 meters will be included at Ghansoli. Inclination because it will be going towards the deeper point of the tunnel. A tunnel ADIT or added portal at Shilphata will aid the construction of approximately 5 kilometers of the tunnel. Now this is that 5 kilometers which is going to use the new Austrian tunneling method, NATM method. What's an audit portal? Now this audit tunnel or audit portal is basically, this is a tunnel which will help, it will provide additional access to the underground or the undersea tunnel, thereby enhancing overall construction efficiency. So in order to make the undersea section of the tunnel, they will construct an added tunnel also. Usually added tunnels are constructed to aid the main work on the main tunnel. Now this particular will be at Shilphata Thane end. Portal work is already in progress. Along this entire length of this tunnel section of the project, now there will be 39 equipment rooms. They will be constructed at 37 strategic locations along the tunnel route. All this work is currently going on. As per the updates by the news reports, work is going on at a very rapid pace. Now friend, hope you liked this particular presentation of the technical fact regarding this undersea section of the tunnel. Now in forthcoming videos, we shall try to, as we get the updates of this project, get them across to you. Basically, there are a lot of people who might say, what is the need for having a bullet train project in the first place? As it is, it has got delayed so much, so expensive. Who is going to benefit? What is going to be the social impacts? What's going to be the impact on the economy of the nation? What's going to be the impact on jobs? Now, for example, if you talk about employment, already a huge number of people are involved in this particular project. So, employment generation has already started and has been going on for all these years now. Until the completion of the project, of course, project-related work and contractors and employees are all going to be benefited from this particular project. In future videos, we will try to tackle these other issues. Hope you like this particular video. Let's see each other in the next one. If you found any value in this particular video, please subscribe to this channel. That will be very beneficial for this channel. Click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, click on the notification bell, and if you have any friends and family who are interested in such topics, then of course share this video. Share this video in your various other social media platforms also, so that somebody might benefit from this information. And thanks a lot. Keep smiling. We'll see each other in the next video. Thank you.